Hi, I'm Ray, and today I've been sent by VEVOR a folding wagon, and this is to unbox and review for use in our garden and on our allotment plot, which would be a great idea, moving compost from the car park down to my plot, with my plants and flowers, and we can also use this in the garden and going down the beach. That would be great. So I'm going to unbox it and I'll show you how to assemble it and what it's like. So let's go. There we go. Pretty much straight out the box. And that's our folding cart. VEVOR. Got some nice big wheels. Will it open? And there we go. Instant cart. Good old wheels at 360-degree wheels. And we've got a nice handle. Clips in and out. And there's adjustable. That's cool. We've got 2 drink holders here. A couple of bottles of water, glass, and a carry handle. The handle just snaps back in. There we go. That's pretty good. Pretty straightforward and easy. Folds nice and easy. Look at the back. Carry handle. You could handle we've got some instructions, fittings, and we've got some bungee cords so we can attach our cargo. So that's looking really good. Really pleased with that. Just pull the middle and there it shuts. Straight out the bag, no assembling. That's really good. Really good. We've got a bag. Put it in when we're finished. It's pretty easy. Hold it away. The zip clips to tie it in. There we go. Easy storage, not very thick at all. That's really good. Well, I'm really pleased with that. Let's give it a go. Some nice big wheels, nice big space, retractable handle, 360-degree wheels. It's a great job. So the cart, 32 inches long, 17 inches wide, 9 inches high, and made from premium steel. It's easy to fold, there's no assembling, has adjustable handle, it's easy to clean, and comes with a cover and netting. This is going to be perfect for camping, doing your groceries, going down the beach, and taking your bags of compost and your seedlings down the allotment. Be perfect. Comes in a black or grey, and VEVOR offering 5% discount to all our viewers. So check out the description in the below or in the comments. I'll add a link on there, so check it out. So really pleased. This is going to get lots of use, all those multiple occasions, especially going down the beach. That's really, really good. Really good. So, thanks for watching. Cheers for now.